What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video, and today, guys, I am at Blizzard Beach, which is one of the two Walt Disney World water parks, guys, here in Orlando, Florida. We are right outside of it right now, guys, as we are about to enter. And this place, guys, has a really nice wave pool. It also has a lot of really fun slides. So we're just here to make the best out of this day, guys. Even though it's actually raining, as you guys can see right now, it's raining on me. It's raining lightly, though. That's what happens in Florida, guys. It's summer. It's going to be raining a lot. Like, I won't be surprised if in a future video of mine, you see that it's raining, because I live here in Florida, guys. But now, we're going to go ahead into Blizzard Beach, guys. And I brought my GoPro, guys, to get a bunch of insane POVs on these rides, guys, including Summit Plummet, guys, which, if you don't know what that is one of the tallest water slides, if not the tallest, here in Florida, guys, that me and some other people that are here with me, guys, are all going to be going down. It's going to be absolutely insane, and hopefully they allow me to record with my GoPro, guys. But now, let's go ahead and enter. Hey, look at this wave pool, guys. So sick. I cannot wait to go in that wave pool, guys. But, of course, guys, I'm not here by myself. I'm also here right now with my cousin, Cameron, and my other cousin, Madison. So we're all here right now, and we actually have more people meeting us later. Bro, look at this racing one. This looks so sick, guys. I say we do it first. What about you guys?
Yeah, for sure.
Come on, let's do it. Dude, let's go. We're about to go down. Cameron, I'm racing you. Are you gonna win?
Yeah, I'm winning.
No, you're not. No, I'm gonna beat Cameron, guys. Let's go. I'm so excited. Let's go. I'm ready. Bro, first time being in the water, guys. It's kind of cold. Let's go, though. Woo! 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 Let's go. I beat you. Beat you, Cameron. You're too slow.
It didn't go right away.
He's saying he didn't go right away. Excuses. Let's go, guys. Your boy won. Check this out, guys. You can see way up here is the tallest slide here, Summit Plummet. Bro, what are you guys wanting to do right now?
Honestly, the big one. I'm being honest.
He wants to do the big one. We just got here, it feels like. I want to warm up for some others. No way I want to go on that. Now, there's a mini version of the big one, guys. Still a straight drop right here. Not that. It's over here, guys, but they're bringing me over here. I guess we're gonna go ahead and do one of these, guys. These are really extreme water slides. I don't know how I'm feeling about this, but let's do it, man. Here we go, guys, the small one. That's the big one, Summit Plummet. This is the small one. We're doing it. There it is, guys. Somebody just went. Look at this. We can see the whole park from here. This is like a ski mountain theme park, as you guys can see. Wave pool, but that's where we're going down. Yeah, not as bad as that, but it's still going to be a big slide. Bye, Madison.
You want to step in across my back, cross your arms, go ahead.
Woo! Whoa! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Bro! Guys, I got so wet. I was just skidding on the water the whole time, skidding on it. But that could have been worse. Sometimes water slides hurt like your back when you go down them, guys. Hey, Cameron! Woo! I'm sure I look so silly, guys, because my face just getting splashed with water. I could not keep my eyes open or whatever. That was sick, guys. Am I ready for this? I don't know, guys. I cannot tell you if I'm ready, but I'm gonna say I am, because why not? We're going in it next. How are you guys feeling? Ready?
I'm feeling good, bro. We're about to go on the big ride. You know, I'm excited.
Guys, we made it up. Look, guys. We made it up here. Everything looks so much smaller up here. Bye! No! No! Oh my gosh. Bro, It goes by so fast. Dude. Wow, we all did it, guys. Once again, not as bad as I thought because my body was just skidding on the water the whole time. I hope the water's out of the GoPro speaker. I know it clogs it sometimes, guys, from past experience, but that was crazy. How did you guys?
It's fun. It's fast.
Fun and fast, guys. What do you guys want to do? We got this one. You guys want this one or the toboggan racers?
No, next I'm talking about. We'll do this one right now.
All right, we're gonna do toboggan racers, guys. Here we are, guys. We're on these mats. Ready, Madison and Cameron? Let's go. Woo! Woo! Push up. Got it. Woo! Woo! Come on. No. Come on. No, I lost, guys. Dude. Okay, that was kind of difficult holding the camera, guys. No. Okay, we're 1-1, guys. I won in the beginning, but that was hard to hold the camera because I had to hold the handle like that. Honestly, this lazy river looks really nice, guys. Why not take a little break in it? We've been going on a lot of rides, going hard at it, so I say we're going wave pool like we are now. You agree, Cameron? Yeah. We're going deep. Let's do this. Go deep. I remember when I was here a long time ago, guys, and I couldn't even stand here. The next ride, guys. It's currently raining again, but the wave pool was a nice break from all the rides we went on, guys. The wave pool is really nice. I like it. It's just sometimes really refreshing to get in the water. Yeah, what would you say about it, Cameron?
Yeah, it was a cool little break.
Woo! Let's go, guys. This looks so much fun. Water slides just always awesome. Do I do enclosed or open, guys? Enclosed or open? I guess enclosed it is. You ready, guys? Let's go! Woo! Oh my gosh, this is fast! Woo! Bro, you guys cannot see in here. Woo! This is so fast! Woo! Oh my gosh, this is so much fun! Woo! I like that, guys. I hope you can see it well enough, though. I'm not sure if it was too dark or not. We all did that one, guys. So how was it, Cameron and Madison?
It was really fun.
Yeah.
It was actually longer than I thought, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really long.
It was better than we thought, guys.
We were all three in the same,
We were in it at the same time.
I was in the middle, Cole was in the front, and Maddie was at the end. So it was definitely interesting.
Yeah, and there were a lot of little drops in it, guys. We're gonna go on, literally, guys, the last ride in the park that we have not gone on. It's called Snow what? Snow something? Snowstormers, maybe, guys?
Yeah.
I don't know, but it's literally the last ride. We've already done like every single ride in this park. I can't believe it, honestly. I didn't think we would be able to do this fast, but the lines aren't that long, which is great. So we'll see you guys at the last ride. Bro, let's do it. The last one we have not been. The last one that we have not been on, guys. Then we will have been on all the rides, which is pretty cool. Again, it's one of these, guys, so it's pretty hard to record when you're on these mats, guys, but I'm gonna try my best. Oh, bro, I'm the mat on the way. Whoa, this is fast. Whoa, whoa. Woo! Jeez, this is fast. Guys, it's so hard to hold. Woo! Here we are. Probably close to the bottom. There we are. Woo, let's go. Okay, but Cameron, I beat you by a lot. I was the first one out.
Remember the kid was it was delayed, so I had
No, it wasn't. Honestly, guys, I think we'll come back to this racing one to end it, to end our little competition, our little races. So we're 1-1, guys. I think we'll come back to this one for a second time, guys, to beat a tiebreaker, and whoever wins at that time is the faster slider. Bro, we have not even been in this lazy river yet. We just did all the rides. Why not do it, guys? Okay, guys, Cameron wants me to just get on this raft.
No reason at all.
I'm gonna listen to him.
I think you should show. We got a long
Why
way.
a baby raft? Look at this. I can definitely, of course, go on the blue ones. What do you think? Okay. Cameron! What the? Cameron! Don't do that, bro! Don't do that, Cameron! Bro, I knew he was gonna do something. Why would he want me on that? But I did not know he was gonna sink it. I thought he might like do this or something. Honestly, whatever. Wow, guys, we've already done so much, and we're finally hungry for lunch. I'm definitely ready for lunch. You guys too?
Yeah, what do you think you're getting? Just,
what am I getting?
What do you think?
I don't know. It just it depends what they have. He mentioned, Cameron mentioned a place that's a flatbread pizza. That sounds pretty good. Maybe a burger. We'll see, guys. But we've already done a lot. I'm not gonna record any more rides, guys, except 2 of them. What's the first one, Cameron?
it's the race one. We're tied 1-1 now.
The race one, yes. The one I showed you guys, the double lane one. We're gonna do that again to see who can win our tiebreaker. And then, guys, the other people I said would show up today are actually here now. So we are gonna go down the family raft slide again. We're already gonna go down. We're gonna go down the family raft slide one more time, guys, with everybody on it. This will be a total of 6 people, guys, because I think we're gonna go a lot faster with all these people. Guys, look what we decided to take. We finished lunch, but now we're on this ski lift sort of thing. This is like a ski mountain themed water park, guys. But here's one of the new people that came, guys. We got Dylan.
What's up?
Been in many of my videos, guys, so it's me, Dylan, and Cameron right now. And then the other 2 is my sister and her friend, guys. They're right there in front of us. We're all going to that family raft ride now, which we actually already did earlier, guys. Just me, Cameron, and Madison. However, guys, it was super slow with us, and I want to instead put this POV in. Woo! Here we go. Let's go. We better go way faster with everybody here, guys. We better go way faster. Dude, where do we put our legs?
Is that part of the ride?
Whoa, it's cold. It's cold. Woo! Already faster. Already faster. Wow. Woo! Oh my gosh, I just Cameron! Madison!
Oh, I gotta go back.
Cameron, how much better was that than the first time?
Yeah, definitely better.
Are you cold?
No, I'm just like so awkward.
Madison, was that better than the first time we went?
This time was a lot better.
For sure, guys. The rain helped. Alright, guys, right now I am so relieved, and you guys don't know why. The reason is the GoPro is not turning on, which is what I'm recording with now. I think some water somehow must have got into it, and it would not turn on because of that, because the battery is not done. Like, I turned it back on, it has 20%, guys. It's been like that for a while, so I'm so lucky it's back on. And we're about to be going on the last ride I'm going to be videoing today, guys, the racing one, which is where I'm going to beat Cameron in the tiebreaker. Guys, he was ahead of me, and then like I came back and was like faster at the end. And here's what we decided: whoever passes the end of that yellow part, the yellow noodle, whoever got past it first was the winner, guys. Let's replay right now that ending in slow motion to see who won. Perfect. For real. Hey, GG, Cameron. GG, man.
It was a good battle.
It was a good battle. I think, we don't know for sure who won, but I think I saw that I passed it first. Is that what do you think, Cameron?
So I think I won like getting off of the actual
Yeah,
slide,
he got out of the actual slide first, guys. However, we said up there, past the yellow part, and that's what I won. Hey, minute out of the park, guys. As you can see, I have a towel on my head because it has been raining this whole time. Raining still so lightly, guys, but a little harder, so I need this or else I'd be soaked right now. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and enjoyed seeing me get all those POVs. If you guys did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you are new. And I will see all you guys in the next video. Peace!